It was so exciting. It was so exciting. I feel like comedy is not. I at least I thought that comedy is not a genre that comes naturally to me, and I was very excited to explore it. And who better than Veer Das, to guide me through it. So it was very exciting.
And anything about your what? Tell us about your character. Like, what is it like from like a Goan girl? You are Marathi and doing a Goan character. How was it?
It was fun. She's her name is Rupa, and she, according to her, is the most sought after dancer in Tanjore, the city that they live in. And she's very very badass. Like I would like the words I use for her are she's a tikhi mirchi. Like she's a very like उसकी जबान भी तीखी है और वो खुद भी तीखी है मतलब वो शी विल नॉट लेट एनीवन कम क्लोज टू हर एंड इवन इफ शी उसको भनक भी लगे कि this is in my space she's like full ninja person so she goes full ninja on them so I feel like I'm not like that in real life actually I'm very like uh, I take a back step back, but she's like full like plays on the front foot all the time. So I loved exploring that
Yeah,
with her.
and going by what you were saying, I believe we'll be see you doing action sequences, which and of course you would have prepared it for it. And then how was the preparation? How did you do the action scenes? So
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. We had there were sequences that were choreographed actually, like stunt sequences that were choreographed, and I actually love doing a lot of monkey business in general. Like, I like learning skills. Okay, so when I'm working out, also it's not just strength training and like body weight training and weight training and all of that. So we do obviously as a discipline, but I like learning handstand, headstands, and all of that. And luckily, my trainer is also a capoeira trainer. So then there's a lot of like that. So I have always enjoyed that. I just never got an opportunity to explore that. So I didn't know if I would be able to do it. But this time I got an opportunity to explore it. So we did a lot of rehearsals. They showed me a video, then we went to rehearse it. So then we did our warm ups and then I just had to follow the lead, and we rehearsed it several times. And the team was really, really good, and we made like they made sure that I was safe. Like I had knee caps, elbow caps, all in place. So safety was like at the forefront for them also, and they made sure that I felt safe while doing all of that. And I have enjoyed myself. And I don't want to say too much because I want people to watch it and then see what I've done
yeah.
in the film. But I enjoyed myself. I didn't have a stunt double, yes, and I wasn't on like any harnesses or anything for for most of the action
Was
sequences.
it
So
difficult for you to do the action sequences?
it was tough, but it was very enjoyable. I had a lot of fun. I would like to do a lot more of that now, actually.
And like with whom will we will see you doing the fight sequences like
Oh, in the film.
yeah,
Oh,
of
in the
course in
film.
the film.
Oh, I thought you said in the future if you ever.
No, no,
Oh,
no.
no, no. In the film. अरे यार वो भी मतलब ठीक है bad guys
The
that we
bad
fight
guys,
in the
and
film.
we don't know
So
who the bad guys
मामा
are, right?
मामा के जो नहीं जो तो फिर मोना सिंह जो
Mm-hmm.
किरदार निभा रही
Yeah.
है मामा का. So
Uh-huh.
she has a lot of wounds and they are the bad guys na, in the
Okay.
film. So we fight them.
Uh-huh. And one thing which we all are very much looking forward to, that is the comeback of Imran Khan. You have worked with
Yeah.
him in his last film Katti Batti, and you are working with him again in his comeback film. How was it like reuniting with him on the big screen again?
It is so lovely to like he's come a full circle and I get to be part of the beginning of the like whatever. So it was really 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 fun to welcome him back on set. And in fact, he and I realized that when we met on set, like he was, I think I was working with him for 2 days of the schedule. And the first day we realized the last time we were on a set together was Katti Batti, which was my first film and technically his last film before
Yeah.
before he came back, right?
Uh-huh.
So yeah, so it was really lovely to see like I was part of that journey for him with him actually.
Any fond
So it's really nice.
memories that we have from the sets? From the sets, any fond memories you have with him recently, or any stories that you got
Recently
to know
I have
from
all
him?
No, it's always been the same with Imran. I feel like he's a very lovely person. First of all, like above anything else, he's such a nice person that he will immediately make you feel comfortable. Immediately make you feel like okay, you're fine. You got this. So in fact, this time when I was meeting him, that time also we were shooting an action sequence only, and then he was the one who said, no, you make sure, are you like, do you have your kneecaps on, do you have your elbow caps on, are you sure that you're feeling secure, make sure that, like, you also do your own checks. Stuntmen and the stunt team will be there, but you also have to be aware. So those are the things that he kind of aligned me on, like, just be, take care of yourself. Everybody else will take care of you, but take care of yourself first. Like, make sure that you are taking care of yourself, don't break anything.
And how
So,
do
yeah.
you think he has changed like over the years? तब से लेके अब तक. Did you find any changes or like any similarities with how you had worked with him?
Similarities, definitely, that he is still the lovely, warm person that I met 10 years ago, and he continues to be that. Like, nothing, he's unfazed that way. And it is just so lovely to have him back in the films.
And like coming back to your character, it is a very different one from what we have seen you. So like how comfortable were you while accepting the role, because it was something out of the box and conventional for you? So
Comedy as a genre only is not, like, I feel like it's not something that comes naturally to me. Rom-coms come naturally to me, but like comedy, out and out comedy, I've never done before, right? So that was really really nerve wracking for me. But like, Veer and Kavi, who are my co-directors, just we did a lot of table reads. There were meetings with Veer that, like, just he and I did one on one, where we were like, okay, let's discuss our characters, let's discuss our equation. You tell, like, Veer asked me, what do you think? How do you want to play? Like, I have, as a writer director, I have ideas, but do you want to play it any other way, differently? So there was a lot of that freedom given on set also. And generally, I like to surrender to the writer and the director, because it's their vision, and then whatever little that I can bring to the table, like, to aid the character better, I do that. So I always love when it is a collaborative effort, and that is how it was on this set. So I was nervous, but I was very excited to play this.
and your experience with Veer or with on sets as an actor, as a collaborator, how was it?
Very fun, very very fun. He is very open to ideas, he's very open to changes, if at all, like, if you kind of contribute to it, he's very open to, like, sure, we'll try this and see where it goes. If it works, then he'll keep pushing for it. And very lovely co-actor, very lovely director. For me, most of the times we were in the same frame together. So when he was an actor, he fully surrendered to being an actor. And when he was a director, he would fully surrender to being a director. But that line was never, like, he never confused that line. When he's an actor in the frame. And then, of course, Kavi was there to
Yeah.
guide us through it. So, yeah.
So was Veer helping you with the curse words or you use on the big on
Yes, everyone was helping me, because that also doesn't come naturally to me.
So that also came as a help for you on the sets.
Huh?
That
Sorry,
like
I
they
did.
came as a help for you to like use the curse words.
No, everybody did. Everyone, whoever, like, was around me could, like, and I needed help, they all, like, did, because many things, like, I'm not a very aggressive person in general. Like, मैं जब रूपा जब गुस्सा होती है तो वो एक
Yeah.
बजा के देती है. मिथिला जब गुस्सा होती है तो वो रोती है.
Okay.
So they're very opposite people.
There's one thing I've heard like the settings on the sets, like there was no phones allowed. I think you guys had shared vanity vans. Like how were the circumstances? Like how did this happen?
Uh, it was actually really, really, in a way, it really helped us as a cast to come together. You know, so ऐसे जब हम कह रहे हैं कि there were no cell phones allowed, it's not like they were locked up somewhere. But because there was that rule, we respected that rule, and nobody was, like, callously, like, on their phones on set. Like, if we had to take urgent calls, we would excuse ourselves, leave the set, then come back, so that we could all be present on set together. and it really helped. Yeah, it really helped with our friendship. Like today, Shrushti, Share, Veer, Mona, and I have a blast together. Like we look forward to like meeting. Even now, जब promotions हो रहे हैं, तो we ask each other कि अभी next कब मिलना है? Like when are we hanging out? Because promotions जो साथ में होते हैं, that those will be a lot more fun now again when the whole cast comes together. And because you're spending long days together as you're going through the interviews and everything. So that really helped, and it really helped in the camaraderie. Even though Mona was playing the villain, like she could compartmentalize obviously, and then like when on set we are all actors, but when we are in front of the camera, outside of that we are all sitting together, getting to know about each other. Today I can like really proudly say that we are all friends now. Like we are very comfortable with each other. Everybody is accessible, and that's so lovely.
And was the same reason why you had shared vanity vans to like enhance the
हाँ yeah,
bond?
shared as in like there are two doors, so then half को use करता था, half हम use करते थे. And then once we are ready, we used to open all the doors and all of us sat together inside and then sat chatted. We are all foodies, we discovered, so then we would just sit and Shrushti used to make us listen to a lot of her music. हम कभी गेम्स खेलते थे. We are all fond of so many similarities we found. Like we are all fond of word games. We love food. We love our food. So every day this discussion of आज कहाँ से मंगाए, आज क्या खाए was like a big thing in our vanity. So food was shared. All of that. Like it was a really fun set.
And before we wrap, I just want to like see how you reflect on your journey. Like it has been a long way from little things to Patti Patti, Karwa, Happy Patil. How do you look back on your journey so far? Ab tak?
I mean, first of all, I look at it with a lot of gratitude because all of this is. I did not. I mean, yes, I wanted to be an actor. Yes, I would have loved to be part of films when I started. That was a dream, and the fact that I'm getting to live my dream is just it's too surreal. So, I would begin with thinking of it with a lot of like. There's a huge sense of gratitude towards every person that I've met along the journey who has guided me, mentored me, led me to where I am now, and every little contribution has been big for me. And it's been a joyride. I don't want to say because I'm also not the kind of person who comes out when I'm going through a low phase. I'm not a. Mm, I don't want to say at the same time. I don't want to say that I'm too much into myself. But when I'm going through a low phase, I will reach out to very certain people. I generally never put myself out there. And there are several low phases because such is life. But it's been a joyride, and I have enjoyed being on it. And I still feel like I've only scratched the surface. I like there's so much more to explore still, and I am very excited to see what's in store from now.
And you had a lot of roles throughout this joyride, like different genres, different characters, and how did they like came with you throughout the journey? Like what did you learn? How was the process?
As from my character.
Yeah, for your characters.
Oh, my God! Every character has been. Every actor will say that has been truly special. I, with a lot of bias, I do want to say that Kavya has been the closest to me from Little Things because I have stayed with her. She has lived with me for as many years. Like we started Little Things, I want to say in 2015, 2016, or tab se leke 4 seasons. So that is a character I've lived with the longest. So, and I have grown with her in its true sense because when we started Little Things, each one of us associated with the project only were we were all new. Dhruv was a new writer, Dhruv was a new actor, I was a new actor, the DOP, Anirudh Patankar was new, Pocket Aces, the producers were new, like they were also exploring something new in this space. We were all new, the editor, Soumya, she was new. Neil Adhikari, probably not as new as the rest of us, but like he was also in the beginning of things, and it was a like we did not expect whatever we received, and it's been just more like it's a show that keeps giving us all the time, like no matter where we go, across the world in the smallest of places, in the most remote areas. Little things is something that has stuck with everybody, and we are so grateful for it. So that is a show that has literally grown with us, and we have grown with the show. So yeah, I feel like that is my most like formative also character, and like generally in life as an actor I have grown with that
I
character.
think we are coming close to 10 years of Little Things. Like I think.
Yeah, 2016, yes.
Yeah.
We are there.
Almost 10 years. Yeah. And
Yeah.
I think after Happy Birthday, I think you have a film with Akshay Kumar, and like, what can we look forward to that?
Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to talk too much about it, and when I am, I will tell you a lot more. But I can definitely tell you that it was another really lovely experience, and I feel so lucky that I got to be on a set with Akshay sir, Paresh sir, Priyan sir, who are, I mean, who has not watched their films? And they have been such like cult films that we still keep going back to them. We still keep referring to those films, right? And it's a genre.
Another
Priyadarshini
genre, right?
films
A different genre
yeah,
again. According to
it is a genre in itself. Like I feel like his films, all of it,
yeah,
all of those. So I am just so lucky that I got to be part of that genre and that genre of films and that community. So when I get a chance to talk a lot more about it, I will be first to like reach out and tell you.
Sure. And Mithila, it's your birthday in the coming days, and we're already into 2026. What are your plans for your birthday? How do you look forward to celebrating?
I generally am a very like chilled out celebration kind of a person. I'm a homebody generally. I like to be at home. So which is what happens almost at least over the last 2 years. That's what I have been doing 2 3 years. Okay, all my friends come home. My parents come home. My family comes home, and we chill. We cut a cake. We eat good food.
That's
Best.
all. Like before I end, this is the last question. Like you mentioned, your friends. One of your closest friend, Prajakta, recently came with the show, Single Papa. And have you watched it?
I have watched some of it. I am still going through it. I'm a very slow reader and a slow watcher. So I am. But I am very proud of her, man. Like, look at her journey as an actor. I recently watched her Marathi film,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
her Marathi film. And I immediately called her and I feel like the maturity that she brings in that Marathi, it's so different from like what she has played so far because her character demands that and she has delivered it. So I feel like I'm very proud of her journey as well.
Okay. I think I